Look at these dry cheeks. They're dry, like the Sahara. You know when girls say that they can do their makeup in under 10 minutes? I'm not one of those girls. It takes me around an hour to do my makeup, if we're being real. So today I'm challenging myself and seeing how far I could get or how much makeup I could do in 10 minutes. Why I'm doing this to myself, I don't know. But I'm actually gonna go out in this makeup, however far I get. It usually takes me 10 minutes on its own to do my eyebrows. And if you think I look like a potato right now, you're not wrong. I know I look like a potato. But for real guys, 10 minutes, that's the time that's on the clock. Let's see how far I could get or how much I could do. I'm praying I could get through the whole entire thing if I move quick enough. We'll see. All right guys, so I have my cell phone here and it's on 10 minutes. I don't know if I should I challenge myself and do 9 minutes? No. Who am I kidding? No. I can barely do my eyebrows in 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes is on the clock. We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Woo! Okay. All right, I'm gonna start off with primer. I'm doing the Hangover RX primer. I'm gonna do 3 pumps of that. Oh my God. Oh my God. I need to not look at that clock because I'm getting anxiety just looking at it. Okay. Primer is on. I'm gonna go in with my NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer, and I'm just gonna put a little dot of this on the back of my hand. Also guys, I did pick out my makeup already. I'm crazy, I'm not stupid, okay? It's a little dark. Actually, it's a lot dark. So I'm gonna lighten it a little bit with the Bourjois Healthy Mix Serum. Okay, gonna mix that all up. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, okay. Okay, now my hand is so messy, so gross. We're going in with the Real Techniques sponge. Oh my God, guys, what if I can actually be one of those girls who says that I could do my makeup in 10 minutes? Honestly, those people who say that literally just put on mascara. Like, there is no way you do a full beat in 10 minutes. There's no freaking way. Okay, foundation is on. Foundation's on. Now I'm gonna move on to concealer. And I'm using the Sephora Bright Future Concealer. Okay, it's upside down, but whatever, you guys get the drift. This concealer is really, really good and it's really easy to blend out. That's why I picked it for today. I have a lot of great concealers. By the way, I think I'm gonna do a video of my favorite concealers because I do get a lot of questions on that. So I'm just gonna put that under my eyes. She's gonna be basic today, okay guys? She's gonna be basic. There is no crazy highlight and contour game in today's video. We are gonna try our best to do this super quick. I'm getting anxiety. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my eyelids too to prime my eyes. Oh my God. I could already tell this isn't gonna be my best look yet. All right, and to bake a little bit, I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Best powder there is out there, high-end wise, obviously. So I'm just gonna dip in a little bit of my wet beauty blender and go under my eyes with that. And we're just gonna bake while I do my eyebrows. We're gonna bake those laugh lines. Okay, so we're gonna look like Santa while we're doing our eyebrows, but whatever. Okay, for eyebrows, I am going in with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Okay, I have to get really close to the mirror while doing this. So if I'm out of shot, I am so sorry. Clearly, this is gonna be a little messy brow moment. That eyebrow actually doesn't look so bad. I mean, okay, actually the tail is pretty shit, but you know. What can we do? We only have, how much minutes do we have? We have 2 minutes left. Oh my God. Oh my God. Where did the time go? Okay. Okay, this eyebrow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, my eyebrows look like complete shit, but we're gonna move on. Okay, so I'm gonna dust this off really quick. dusting all of this off, but it was barely enough time to bake. All right, now that I got all that powder off, I'm going to go in with bronzer. I'm going in with bronzer. To bronze, I'm using the Balm Take Home the Bronze bronzer. How much? Oh, I have 2 minutes and 50 seconds left. Okay. I don't know what time I was looking at before, but now I have 2 minutes and 50 seconds left. And I need, okay, so I'm going in with my brush. Please, God, don't make me orange. This is gonna be so messy. Oh my God. Right now my bronzer looks awful too. Well, at least she's bronzed up. I'm bronzed. I'm gonna take away the double chin no matter what, no matter how much time we have left. I'm on the nose to make us look like we were just sun-kissed. Okay, now moving on to blush. I'm going to take the Becca Beach tint, and it's in this really pretty marbleized color. And I'm just gonna rub my brush in that and then pop that on my cheeks. Okay. And this is just a really nice light flush of color. We gotta bring some kind of life into this face, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so now I'm going to go back to that bronzer and I'm actually gonna put that in my crease. Okay, that looks cute. That doesn't look that bad. Okay, she's not gonna be that blended, but you know what? Whatever. Okay, what else now? Okay, mascara. Going in with mascara. I want to curl my lashes really bad. How much time do I have left? I have 20 seconds left. Okay, we're just gonna have to, no curling. They're just gonna look like little straight black sticks. I haven't put on highlighter. Oh my God, oh my God. I'm gonna put on highlighter. I have to put on highlighter before. I'd rather have highlighter and no lip. Okay. Mascara done. Highlighter. Where's my highlighter? Okay, I'm gonna use the Becca. Oh. So time's up, and this is how far I got. So I don't think it's too bad. Do I think it's great? No. Do I think it's awful? Also no. But I don't have on highlighter, and I don't have any lip stuff on. I don't even have a chapstick on. I didn't get to set my makeup. I didn't get to put on eyelashes. I didn't get to do a winged liner. I didn't get to do much, really. Because 10 minutes is not enough time to get ready. Whenever someone tells you they got ready in 10 minutes, envy them, really. Because I don't know how they do it. I mean, unless they have perfect skin, bright eyebrows, and naturally dewy highlighted skin, like, I mean, I don't know how they do it, but Lord knows I can't do it. That is the completed look for today, guys. I'm sorry I didn't do my hair, but you know what? We're gonna try to keep it real. We're gonna keep it real. Today I didn't feel like doing my hair, so I didn't do it. But I did my makeup, kind of. I'm missing a lot of stuff, but you know what? This is what 10 minutes of makeup gives you. This is as far as I could get. Let me know how far you guys could get with 10 minutes, because I just don't believe, I cannot believe that people can do their makeup in 10 minutes. It's impossible for me, impossible. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe before you leave. It would mean the world to me. I love all of you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. I mean, this is just a close-up, but like, look how bad my eyebrow. They don't even match. They're not sisters, they're not cousins, they're not even relatives at this point. They're like that person that you met that one time when you were drunk, and then you look at them because you see them again and you're like, I know you from somewhere.